So autophagy fasting is about 17 hours in without food, your cells will turn within and they'll start to heal themselves. And that was what Dr. Osumi's big discovery was, is that the cells clean themselves up. So what's interesting on this one, and this is something I really want to get out to the world, is that when you stimulate autophagy, what you're doing is you're turning on the intelligence inside the cell, and that intelligence is looking around and it's going, hey, there's a virus, there's a bacteria, get them out. So let's push these infections out of the cell. That mitochondria, it's not working well. We need to repair it. That endoplasmic reticulum inside here, it's lagging. We need to fix it. So it literally goes in and fixes everything inside the cell just at 17 hours. But one of the greatest studies that I've seen in fasting was done during COVID. And it showed that if a virus comes into a cell that's in a state of autophagy, it can't replicate. Viruses have to live off of your energy system. So when viruses go into a cell that's laden with glucose, they have a party in there. They love that. They munch on that, and then they go out and they start replicating. If you were in a fasted state, when a virus comes in, it can't replicate. There's nothing inside that cell for that virus to take over, and it dies.
I think this one is amazing. Sabi niya, yung di-discover that yung mga selula ng katawan natin, pag naka 17 hours fasting tayo, doon yung exact time na magre-regenerate, aayusin nila yung mga cells na may sira, pati yung cancer cells ay inaayos pag they do the fasting for 17 hours. So napakaganda ng discovery na to para sa akin. It's because the disciples of Christ and even the believers of God, of Abraham, they are practicing fasting. So kahit wala pa si Jesucristo dito sa lupa, they're practicing fasting. And also, every denominations, kahit anong denominations, I think, kung hindi man lahat, most of the Christian denominations are doing fasting. And even mga Muslims, they do fasting. And actually, these commandments to fast ay para sa amin, ang reason bakit nagpa-fasting, ang reason ng mga believers of Christ, Christian Church, and even Muslims, I think sa akin, yung reason na nalaman ko bakit we are encouraged to fast is that this is one way of deepest way of praying, communicating with our Heavenly Father. And through fasting, yung pagkain na hindi natin kinain nung nagpa-fast tayo ay dinodonate natin sa simbahan para itulong sa mga tao na walang makain, na walang-wala sa buhay. At yung mga tao na nasalanta sa mga sakuna, bagyo, lindol, pagputok ng bulkan, doon napupunta yung dinodonate natin as fast offering galing sa abstinence natin sa fasting. And the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints ay gumagawa kami ng fasting for 24 hours. So bali 2 meals. So hindi kami kakain ng 24 hours. Tapos yung sana yung cost ng pagkain sa 24 hours ay idinodonate namin sa simbahan. At yung proceeds noon ay tinutulong sa simbahan sa mga mahirap, sa mga nasalanta, sa may mga problema sa mga hospitals, the Department of Health. Doon dinodonate sa simbahan yung mga proceeds ng donations na ginawa ng mga membro ng simbahan. And I think other denominations also are doing that. So ang reason ng fasting is just to overcome yung pagiging sakim natin at para mas magiging katulad tayo kay Jesucristo. Yun lang yung nasa isip ko dati kung bakit nagpa-fast tayo. At kung meron tayong espesyal na hilingin sa Diyos, yung importante na hilingin natin sa Diyos, nagpa-fasting tayo. So, yung blessing ng fasting is, at that time, I just realized na parang yung blessing is for the people who are needy, for the people na kailangan talaga nila ng tulong. And at the same time, because we prayed earnestly at that time that we fast, the blessing also that we can get what we want during that prayer. Miracles happens. But because of this discovery of this group of people na during fasting pala I was amazed kasi hindi ko alam na pag nagpa-fasting pala tayo, meron na kaagad na blessing na ginagawa nung nangyari sa atin. So I just realized that fasting is a commandment from God. Is not just to make us hungry or help other people, but actually there is also a health benefits in this fasting. So hindi natin alam, but ang Diyos alam niya. So dahil dito, I just realized na pinagpa-fast pala tayo ng Diyos para malinisan yung katawan natin. Pinagpa-fast pala tayo ng Diyos para magiging mas malusog tayo. Can you imagine how wonderful our God commanded us to fast? He did not tell us that, hindi niya sinabi sa atin through sa mga leaders ng church na ito ay nakakatulong para mag-regenerate ang cells. But He commanded us, and we trusted Him, we follow, and eventually we realized that in those fasting, meron palang nangyayari sa loob ng katawan natin na napakaganda. Healing, regenerations of cells, kung meron tayong mga karamdaman ay natutugunan dahil sa fasting. Jesus Christ showed a very good example about fasting. He went into a wilderness and fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, and he was afterwards hungered. So si Hesus Kristo ay nagpakita ng halimbawa sa pagpa-fast. And also, one occasion, tinanong siya ng mga Pharisees kung bakit hindi nagpa-fast yung mga disipulo niya. Hindi nagpa-fast yung disipulo niya, but the Pharisees and the disciples of John the Baptist are fasting. So si Hesus Kristo, meron siyang napakagandang sagot. Mga katanungan na yun. At sabi niya, and Jesus said unto them, can the children of the bride chamber fast while the bridegroom is with them? So magpa-fast ba, magpa-fasting ba yung children of the bride chamber kung yung bridegroom is with them? This is, as long as they have the bridegroom with them, they cannot fast. But the days will come. So sabi niya, as long as nandun yung bridegroom, hindi sila magpa-fasting. Pero darating yung araw when the bridegroom shall be taken away from them, and then shall they fast in those days. So sabi ni Hesus Kristo, parang sinabi niya na rin dito na mawawala siya. Pero sabi niya, at the time na mawawala siya sa kanila, so hindi na nila siya makakasama dito sa lupa, sabi niya, in those times, in those days, they will fast. And that's the very reason I think all the Christians denomination are fasting until this time. Hope all the Christian denominations, members of, even we're not the same church, but this is something that we can be proud of. The God that we serve, the God that commanded us to fast. Ito yung isa sa mga napakagandang bagay. So the video has been posted. I realized na napakabuti talaga ng Diyos. He commanded us to fast, not to hurt us, but actually it will heal us. And those people already discover na napakaganda pala ng fasting sa ating kalusugan. At I was really amazed with the video, and mas tumatag yung pananampalataya ko sa Panginoon dahil dito. Napakatalino niya at mapagbigay niya, at makikita natin na pinangangalagaan niya talaga tayo temporally and spiritually. Thank you. Please share this video sa mga tao na masasabi natin baka kailangan nila ito, at manawaan ang napakagandang panalangin or blessing from fasting. And I hope that everybody is doing well, and bye bye.